Hello, my dear viewers, my well-wishers, and my dear students, boys and girls. Tonight, I have appeared before you with a unique arrangement that will be helpful in all sorts of competitive exams. I assure you that all these words will give you much benefit in your competitive exams. However, those who are new in my channel, please subscribe it, like it, comment and share. And if you have any question, come to inbox and ask me any type of question. I shall try my best to give you the solution. Okay, let us start. And today's topic is confused words. That means similar in sound but different in meanings. Similar in sound but different in meaning. For example, the first word that I want to mention is allowed. It is the past form of allowed. Allow. A-L-L-O-W-E-D. Allowed. That means give permission. For example, I allowed him to go to market with me. I allowed him to go to market with me. I allowed him to enter my room when I was reading. Allowed. Then allowed. A-L-O-U-D. Allowed. That means to speak loudly and distinctly. To speak loudly and distinctly. Allowed. He read aloud from the Mahabharata and we listened to him with rapt attention. You please take your exercise books and write them down. I have collected these pairs of words for discussion. Allowed, A-L-O-U-D. He read aloud from the Mahabharata and we listened to him with rapt attention. Allowed. Now come to the second item, that is allude. A-L-L-U-D-E. Allude. Allude means make indirect reference. Make indirect reference. Let us make a sentence. I alluded in my speech. I alluded in my speech to some developments. I alluded in my speech to some developments done by the previous government. I alluded. A-L-L-U-D-D. That means I gave some references. Indirect references. Clear? Next, elude. E-L-L-U-D-E. E-L-U-D-E. Elude. Elude means escape from something. Escape from something miraculously. To escape from something miraculously. For example, he eluded from the case as he was under 18 and the judgment was made in the juvenile court. That means he escaped from punishment. He eluded from punishment as he was under 18 and his verdict was given in the juvenile court. Eluded. You could not elude from your guilt. You could not elude from your guilt and punishment. Elude. Clear? Break. B-R-E-A-K, break. Break means split or smash. The glass broke down from the table and it broke. And it broke. It is the past form. The children threw a metal glass at the mirror to break it. That means to smash it. Clear? You can't break the rules maintained here. You can't break the rules maintained here. B-R-E-A-K. And break. B-R-A-K-E, break. What is this? It is the stopping device. It is the instrument or the part of an engine through which you can stop the machine from running. Clear? B-R-A-K-E. The driver was expert and he kept his step, he kept his foot upon the brake and the child could be saved. And the child could be saved. The driver kept his step or foot upon the brake in proper time and stopped the engine and the child could be saved. Brake and brake. Clear? By. B-Y, by. By is preposition, you know. For example, I am sitting by the window. That means I am sitting by the side of the window. I am sitting by the window to compose a poem. To compose a poem by the window. By is preposition and window is noun. You can achieve a great knowledge. You can obtain a great knowledge by reading this book. By is preposition and reading is gerund. Clear? B-Y, B-U-Y, buy. Buy means purchase. B-U-Y, buy. Buy means purchase. You can buy this house. You can buy this house very easily because you will get loan from the bank. You can buy this house very easily because you can get your loan from the bank. Buy. Clear? Next example is course. C-O-A-R-S-E. Course means rough, rude. C-O-A-R-S-E. Why are you shouting in a coarse voice? You are disturbing your superiors. Why are you shouting in a coarse voice to disturb your superiors? Clear? Coarse means rough. You should not speak in a coarse voice with your superiors. Clear? C-O-U-R-S-E, course. Course means path, direction, syllabus, etc. C-O-U-R-S-E, course. For example, it is way or path or syllabus. For example, You are a child. You are but a child. You cannot grasp this huge course within a short time, within a very short time. How will you bring it within your grip? Because it is a long course. It is a huge course. COURSE. Clear? Course and course. Emigrate. 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 Emigrate means to live. Live. To live one country or region to settle in another place. To live one country or region to settle in another place. For example, let us make a sentence. Many people emigrated to Russia to settle permanently. Many people emigrated to India from Bangladesh to settle permanently. Emigrated. Clear? Immigrate. 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 Immigrate means enter another country to reside. For my further studies, I had to immigrate to the US. For my further studies in medicine, I had to immigrate to the USA. For my further studies, immigrate. Emigrate and immigrate. These are two words. Please keep it in mind and don't skip a single pair of words for your competitive exam. Ensure. 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 What is the meaning of ensure? Ensure means guarantee. Guarantee. I can ensure you that I can ensure you that you are going to succeed in the examination. I can ensure. If you study hard, I can ensure you that you will crack the competitive exam. Clear? Then insure. 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 What is insure? Insure means financial liability. Financial liability. For example, all my papers are ready, including my papers of insure for selling this car. For selling this car. Or I have insured my car. I have insured my car because any type of accident may occur at any moment. I have insured my car. INSURE. Come to another pair of words. Here. 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 Here means in this place. In this place. I know that the accident occurred here and the police had to reach here. I know the accident had occurred here and the police had to rush to this spot. Okay? Here. That means in this place. And HEAR here. Here means to perceive by ear. To perceive by ear. I can hear the sad music of humanity in the setting sun. I can hear the sad music of humanity in the setting sun. I can hear the twitterings of the birds. the chirping of the birds in the afternoon in my garden. Clear? Now come to loose. L-O-O-S-E, loose. Loose means free. Loose means free. For example, I like to wear or put on loose shirt. Loose shirt, not tight shirt. Clear? Another is loose, L-O-S-E, loose. Loose means misplaced. Loose means misplaced. Past tense is lost and past participle is lost. I don't want to lose my prestige by doing this job. I don't want to lose my prestige by doing this job. Lose. That means to misplace. That means to lose. Clear? Peace. P-I-E-C-E, peace. Peace means part or portion. Please give me a little piece of your sweet cake. I will relish it. Please give me a little piece of your cake, sweet cake, so that I may relish it. Peace, part or portion. P-E-A-C-E, peace. Peace means absence of chaos. Absence of chaos or pandemonium. For example, here, tranquility and peace always prevail. Here, tranquility and peace always prevail because it is the place without any human habitation. Because it is the place without any sort of human habitation. You must construct your sentence in such a manner that the meaning of the word must be exemplified in your sentence. Remember it. Next, here, H-A-R, here. Here is hair of head, hair of ear, hair of moustache, hair of beard, etc. Here. So, the man is now bald, but once upon a time, his head was full of hair. The man is bald now. He is a bald-headed person now. But once upon a time, his head was full of hair. Next, hair. H-A-R, hair. A little animal, quiet and calm. For example, have you seen hare in the jungle? Have you seen hare in the jungle? And in this connection, I should mention heir. H-E-I-R, heir. Heir means a person having the legal right to have property. A person having the legal right to have property. Heir. He is the only heir of the family and he will get all the properties. He is the only heir of this family and he will get all the properties. Thank you. Good night. I am ending my lecture here. Stay safe, stay mellow. Avoid mass gathering. Use your mask and hand sanitizer because COVID has not yet taken farewell. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Good night.